Hey guys, how are you? In the last tutorial, we learned about how a very basic program in Java works. In this tutorial, the aim will be understanding how variables work. Let's begin. So you can see here, there is a very basic class main, and inside it we have the main, right? Now, we have to understand what is a variable, right? Now, to understand this, I am going to write something here. Int a equal to 3. Now here you can imagine it like this, that there is a square, okay, or a box containing the value 3, and this box has something written on it, let's say a. Now this box containing 3 and having a name a on it is a variable, right? Basic enough. Now we will try to understand one more thing. Now this is a variable. Cool, good. So I can have one more variable, right? So int b equal to, let's say, 4. Again I can draw it similarly. Another box having the value 4 and the name b on it. Let's create a third variable and call it c, which is equal to a plus b. Now the thing is, this plus symbol is called operator. So I'll mention here, plus is the operator. Don't worry about it, we'll discuss about it later. Now c is equal to a plus b. I am adding these two numbers. So what will get added? 3 and 4. So c will be equal to 3 plus 4, which is equal to 7. Now we'll try to print it so that we know that what I am saying is actually true or not, right? So let's do C here. The shortcut, as it was in the last tutorial, same shortcut, remember it, Control Shift F10. Okay, so I'll do this. Let's wait for it and we'll see the output is, drum roll, how long will you take? 7. Okay, simple enough. It added them and the sum is 7. So this was a very basic tutorial to understand what is a variable. Now you might say, okay, plus, okay, what else can be there? So that's operator, which we will discuss in the next class.